This is Shweta Dubey wants to welcome you in our Atlanta Dunia podcast Parikrama. Guess what? We have been through a lot as an Indian community all over. We experience things in a very positive way. We experience things in a very special way. We are together in this for a very, very long time. But it only makes difference when we have a good leaders. In the Desi community all over USA has been noticing the significant emergence in Desi voices in the mainstream political process. And here in Johns Creek, Atlanta, we have three wonderful, very special people who they are leading Indian Desi community. It is becoming more and more voice visible not only on the international level, but also on the local level. More and more Indian Americans are taking proactive interest in constantly elections. And here today in Atlanta Dunia podcast, we are welcoming our three special leaders from Johns Creek area. Namaste, Bobji, very welcome Rashmiji, and very welcome Dilipji.
Thank you,
Shweta. Rashmiji, I'm going to start ladies first. It's all about the manner and how we represent ourselves. I'm going to start with ladies first. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure. So my name is Rashmi Singh. I'm running for Johns Creek City Council Post 2. I live in Johns Creek with my husband and my youngest son, who is a sophomore at Northview. And I work as a consultant for a Fortune 500 company, and I'm also an HOA board member. So work with small businesses, large businesses, and government agencies.
It is an honor to have you today, Rashmiji. Thank you so much. And Bobji, can I please request you to introduce yourself?
Yeah, Namaste Shweta and Namaste viewers. I am Parmesh Bob Iramili. I was a combat pilot for the Indian Air Force, and now I'm also a second lieutenant in the US Air Force Auxiliary. I'm also pretty active in the community in that I was the president of the one very large temple called Sai Temple. And I'm also having a nonprofit for at-risk youth so that they see better options. And between me and my wife, we run few clinics and we take care of indigent needs like free health camps and all, etc. Our idea is basically if you find a hole, you fix it. If there's any deficiency, you address it. That has been my philosophy.
Very nice, Bobji. Thank you so much for being here. And we're going to talk more. Who doesn't know Dilipji? These three leaders has been in society all about talking to communities and representing the Indian community, Desi community. Dilipji, please, can I request you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, viewers. Like Shweta said, I ran in the 2019 elections, got to a runoff, and from that point, also I'm actively involved. So I'm a resident of Johns Creek for 21 years. I currently serve on about 5, 6 and committees within the Johns Creek and the city and private organizations within the Johns Creek, non-profit ones. So I'm very actively involved in the city of Johns Creek. Coming to my background, I came to this country in 91 with the dreams of education and the fulfillment. So yes, I'm a small business owner for 23 years. So I realized this is the time. Most of us do that one rather than sitting back and hoping for good things to happen. Either do it or just hope. So I came forward and said, let's do it. So I come from a strong civil engineering, environmental engineering, and an MBA finance education, and involved in the small business, community involvement. So this is a time to give it back to the community. We gained so much from the education and the small business successful. So I said, you know what, coming back to that one, let's rather than just keeping to everything myself, I said, let's share it with the community. If it can work for the betterment, it's good.
Very nice, Dilipji. Who doesn't know all three of you are well-educated, you're family people, you have been in community for so long, you are dedicated people in your business or profession and whatnot. And when you guys are tirelessly devoting your time for your own elections, the community is taking note of it, and in the process, feeling one more empowered. Let me quickly introduce you. Today's session, the way we have framed it, it's called Three Questions for Three Indian American Candidates for Johns Creek City Council election. It is a very special session today, and community is gonna find out more and more about you. They already know you. You've been in community. You have been there through the social media. You're going door to door. You're doing campaigning. But today's session is going to bring more bright part of you. My first question to you is, Rashmi ji, we talked about leadership, and you are woman, so you are our leader. It already makes it very special. But my first question to you is, what you expect from the community, and if not, what is expectations you have from community today? Community knows you. They know what they can get from you. But what is your expectations from the community?
That's a very good question, Shweta. So met very many wonderful people, right? Through this process, I've met wonderful people in the community. And what I want to urge them all to do is just go out and support us, right? And supporting means going out and voting, because it is a very important part of an election. If they don't go out and vote, and as we know, the numbers for municipal elections are always low. Not that many people are involved in municipal elections. People generally don't go out, but it's very easy to go out and vote, because we, of course, have early voting, which is going on right now. We have elections that will happen on November 2nd, and early voting has been happening for a number of days now. So the process itself is very simple and easy. The lines are not long. It just takes a very short amount of someone's time. And that is what I urge the community to go out and do, is just find a location near you where you can go and do early voting. It won't take a lot of your time. It takes sometimes less than 5 to 10 minutes to get in and out. It's a very simple and easy process. And I've heard wonderful things from wonderful people. I understand the issues. Now it's time for them to just go step it up a notch and just go vote. That's all I am expecting.
Very well said, Rashmi ji. Log kehte hain complain karna aasan hota hai. We can sit back and complain, but the first step, if you want to make any difference, go and vote. Dilip ji, I will ask you the same question. We know, what community expect from you, but we want to know what you expect from community.
Shweta, I'm going to answer that in two parts. The first one, I'll go back to what Rashmi was talking about. I'll give you the pure numbers. In city of Johns Creek, we have about 6,000 Indian voters. Okay, out of that, every municipal election, 300-400 people vote. Out of 6,000, 300 to 400 people vote. That's like a very, very low turnout, 5%. In 2019, when I ran, we were able to mobilize and we got that to 16-17%. But I'm going back and looking at the data from the early voting, we are back to 5-6%. We should come out, because if they realize that Indian community is not actively participating in these elections, we wouldn't be part of the policy making in the bigger picture. Okay, we're not saying go out and just vote for us. I'm saying go out and exercise your right, because that is important. Because we are here, we've been here, we are citizens, and we got so much from this country. Go back and exercise your vote. So 5% out of 400-500 out of 6,000 is very low number. I would encourage every one of them to go do your research on the candidates. Go out and vote. That's very, very important. Okay, that's on the first part. The second part, coming back to community involvement. As I said before, Shweta, I am actively involved in 6 to 7 committees and organizations, non-profit ones, within the city of Johns Creek. I encourage our community to come back and actively participate. There are avenues for everything, because I sit on the Parks Committee, Downtown Committee, okay, Arts Committee. So there are multiple areas that we can contribute. I even sit on the Cricket Association. We are able to bring a lot of cricket in there. So everyone has their own interest. We're not talking about a whole lot of time. Okay, few hours a month. That's all we're asking for. Let's get involved in the mainstream rather than just coming back. And most of us tend to come back and say, you know what, I'm fine with my family and come on, because we are setting an example for the next generation. So they would follow our path. So come back, get involved, whatever is your comfort zone, be it a park or arts and culture, anything. City has, because while serving on the arts and culture, we are celebrating the Diwalis. Okay? As a community, as a city is coming forward. So as a community, we need to show our support, step forward, and participate in all of these things. Get involved in the committees and organizations. I would encourage one and every one of the communities to come forward and do that.
Nicely said, Dilip जी. एक अकेला थक जाएगा, सब हाथ मिलाओ, साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना. तो आपने तो अपना हाथ बढ़ा दिया. अब कम्युनिटी को आप रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो भी हाथ बढ़ाएं एंड आपका पार्टिसिपेट करें, आपके साथ खड़े रहें और आपका साथ दें टू मेक दिस प्लेस इवन बेटर. Babji, what a leader you are. I have spoke to you before, and I find it very interesting how much you work for community. With your busy schedule, you take time to go out and do what you can. What a remarkable work you do. But I have the same question for you too, Babji. We know what we expect from you by now. Everyone knows you all three of you as a leader. But what is your expectations from community?
हम तो समझते हैं जनता जनार्दन, पर उनको जनार्दन बनने के लिए पहले वोट देना होता है कि नहीं? You know, Dilip has got a very nice saying. He says, your voice can only be heard if you vote. And same way, even Rashmi emphasized this adequately. I can also tell you one particular thing exactly. You know, some Dakshin Bharatiya log jo hai, they want to do a Jagannath Rath Yatra in Sheikh Rag Park. That's a very, very reasonable question. हो सकता है somebody else is occupied that place. पर जब ये इन्होंने वो अर्जी दिया, they took just half an hour to reject it. They said ground is not available, alternative is not available, we are closing down the ticket. हमको ये बहुत बुरा लगा. अगर हम see I am from the healthcare background. मेरे कोई patient आता है, can I do this? ऐसे yeah, if he is available देंगे. नहीं है तो अगले हफ्ते आओ. अगले हफ्ते हमारे पास नहीं है तो ठीक है रश्मि के पास जाओ. तो हम that is the attitude we will like to see in a city which is supposed to be responsive to us. है कि नहीं? So, but that only happens if we go out and exercise our vote. Your vote, your voice. Yeah, that is number one. I think both Rashmi and Dilip said adequately about it. Once God can smile and lightning can happen 3 times, all 3 of us on the council, all 3 of us would like to see the continued interest in city affairs from the citizens of Johns Creek. That I would feel is very, very extreme because क्योंकि हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं जब जाते हैं तो हमारे प्रायोरिटीज बदलते रहते हैं, सिटी के प्रायोरिटीज अलग होते हैं, कम्युनिटी का क्या प्रायोरिटी है वो हम भूलना नहीं चाहिए. So I feel that Indians should continue to stay engaged in the process of civic discourse. So that is very important. And Dilip also mentioned one thing. There are me and Dilip are in several committees, but now because we are contesting, we have to resign from almost all committees. That means there are a lot of openings. I want to see some people who are smart. The reason I am saying is, हमको सिर्फ Indian की ही नहीं. I noticed this because Indians are smart. If you see the Herald, Johns Creek Herald, एक महीने पहले, the top 2 kids were Indian. Chattahoochee High School में top 2 kids were Chinese. तो हम समझते हैं these kind of smart people should stay engaged in the public policy. So that is the reason why I feel very strongly that they should be having equal response. जैसे हम तीनों अपने घर बार का थोड़ा नेग्लेक्ट करके हम सामने आए हैं, तो ये लोग हमारे जनता जो है वो भी जरा रिस्पॉन्सिव होना चाहिए, बट सबसे पहले वोट करना चाहिए. I can also tell you, since I am from the medical background, if you go on an early voting day, there was only one guy ahead of me. मतलब for last 1.5 years, we never closed our office during the COVID. तो हम कोविड से जरा सतर्क रहते हैं. So if you want to stay back till November 2nd when the lines are going to be huge, you are running a risk. हम ये नहीं कहते कि risk हो जाएगा, but why take the risk?
Correct.
So I believe आप early voting करिए. And last point, Shweta, एक है, I feel our culture is very vibrant. They should keep on expanding on it and get it into mainstream. And city is a great platform to do that. जैसे भरतनाट्यम हो गया, कुचिपुड़ी हो गया, कथक हो गया, these all should be mainstream ताकि लोग को पता लगे this kind of richness exists in one sector of Johns Creek.
Nicely said, Mr. Bob. You're saying कि well done is better than well said. So बहुत हो गया, हमने बातें कर ली, लेकिन अब हमने अपने परिवार बना लिए, हमने अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल बना लिए, अब हमें कम्युनिटी बनाने का, सजाने का मौका मिल रहा है. तो हमारा नेता कैसा हो, आप तीनों जैसा हो. We are very proud of you. You have full support of community, and you know, I was watching you, Mr. Bob. You mentioned Mr. Dilip and Ms. Rashmi many times. It's a very strong way to commute कि आपकी अपनी आपस की bonding कितनी अच्छी है. You all three understand each other so well. So अब next question मेरा आपके साथ ये होगा कि only one, just one thing that you are most passionate about as a candidate. फिर मेरा next part आएगा आपके ऊपर. बाब जी, मैं आपसे शुरू करती हूँ कि only one, just one thing that you are most passionate about as a candidate.
बहुत ही उम्दा सवाल है. The reason why I feel like that is हमारे community जो है is very successful. An average couple makes about 150,000 and upwards. That puts us in 10% and more. The point why I'm getting this up is we also are becoming targets of criminals. अब आप फर्क करें, 400 Atlanta officers have resigned. तो Buckhead एक जमाने में was a very prestigious address. आजकल जो है वहां से फकीर लोग भी बाहर आ रहे हैं रॉजवेल सैंडी स्प्रिंग की तरफ. अब ये देखो, you know, that is because the police department has taken a back seat. If the police department takes a back seat, the criminals become stronger. अब if you recall, last year हमारे Johns Creek में one girl died of overdose. You know, we don't know who she is. काली या गोरा कोई भी हो, इंडियन, चाइनीज, बांग्लादेशी, कोई भी हो, दुख दर्द तो एक ही है पेरेंट्स के लिए, है कि नहीं? इस ऐसे माहौल में वेयर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज ब्रोकन डाउन, आप चाहते हैं कि क्रिमिनल आके और ड्रग्स बेचें और ड्रग्स अवेलेबल करें? ये मेरे लिए ये बहुत ही अहम सवाल है कि ये आई फील वेरी स्ट्रांगली अबाउट इट, क्योंकि दिस प्रेडिकेट्स एवरीथिंग एल्स. हमको टाउन सेंटर बनाना है, फंड चाहिए. फंड चाहने के लिए पीपल शुड कम एंड सेटल हियर, बिजनेस शुड ओपन हियर, राइट? पार्क्स बनाने के लिए अगेन फंड चाहिए. If people don't want to come here because law and order is not good, हमारे स्कूल्स खराब हो जाएंगे, हमारे प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू डाउन हो जाएगी. और क्या बताएं, इसके अलावा हम अब देखिए, हम देख रहे हैं सिटी में चारों और सिटीज है. ये जो सिटीज है नॉर्थ अटलांटा में, तुलुथ हो गया, सुवानी हो गया, ये वी आर ऑल रीजनेबली गुड इन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. हम ये समझते हैं कि आवर पुलिस शुड नॉट बी शैकल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ नीडलेस ब्यूरोक्रेसी, especially on knee-jerk reactions to public incidents. हम ये समझते हैं कि अगर एक पुलिस आदमी खराब है, उसको निकालो. जैसे कि हमने बताया था आपको पहले एक बार, हमारे घर में एक खिड़की खराब है, वो खिड़की बदलो, घर मत तोड़ दो. So that is my idea, and I strongly believe everything else is predicated on this. Thank you, Shweta.
Very nice. Yes, very nice, Babji. As you said, you know, अब ये community बनाने की बारी आई है, तो it seems like all three of you are well prepared. You have done your homework. Rashmi ji, same question goes to you. What would be that one thing, just one thing that you are most passionate about as a candidate?
Right. So I know you said one thing, and I'm passionate about my platform, and safety and security is in my platform. The one thing though I see we need to do is we also need to, along with everything else we discuss, we need to make sure there is no wastage of tax dollars. So there's a number of projects that go on in which require repairs and other things down the road. I am observing and talking to different people and learning more. I'm seeing we're not focusing enough on that. We need to ensure that the tax dollars are not being wasted and that we are doing all we can to make sure tax dollars being spent wisely. So, you know, I have other things as well on my platform, all of which I support and advocate for. This is one I do feel we need to focus on.
Nicely said, Rashmi ji. I'm very impressed with your answer. You know, it's a high time that we focus on different things. Both ho gayi job. We are high taxpayers too. We are not small amount of community. We are handful, very high taxpayers. So why not utilize it in a very big and better manner? Dilip ji, same question to you. I'm putting you on spot. What would be that one thing that you are most passionate about as a candidate?
So, like I said, Sweta, I've been on multiple committees. The one that I sit and actively involved was like Town Central. Johns Creek is at a point like we are a 15-year-old city, and our neighboring cities, every one of them has a downtown, Town Central. Johns Creek doesn't have one. So we need to build that unique identity for the Johns Creek, the Town Central. So most of the residents, when I knocked on the door, that's what they were talking about. We take our family and go out to other cities like the Alpharetta and Cumming and the Peachtree Corners. So even for our kids, okay, they come back from the college, they look for a place to go on Friday nights and Saturdays. They go into the other city. So my focus is going to be more on putting a good framework for the Town Central, because I'm already involved for the last 1 year. I working with another engineering firm who came back and put a vision. They already have a vision for the Town Central. Now we need to get the residents involved and get into the more details of what goes in there. Our plan is to get started on the city-owned land, which is right behind the city hall, about 20-25 acres. Putting a good framework in there, which would draw more public-private partnership. Because it has to be done, because like going back to what Rashmi said, we don't want to increase the taxes. So this burden has to be shared by the private. So because they see their property values going up, so it has to be a public-private partnership. Because I come from the business background and real estate background and finance. So and civil engineering. So I can use all these things to put a good framework where the future of the Town Center can be built on that. Give something for our residents to go back and spend the evenings and encourage the small businesses to stay in Johns Creek. By doing that one, what we are doing is we are shifting some of the tax burden from the residents onto the businesses, on the new businesses that are coming in there. So that way, either we keep the taxes where we are or we can lower them. So we need to work on some things because city needs the tax revenues to do all the things that we are doing. So we need that revenue. So we need to find out the other channels where we can get that revenue from, attracting the businesses, bringing them into Johns Creek and creating a business-friendly environment. Town Center is one of them. First steps that we can take and build a unique identity for the city of Johns Creek.
Nicely said, Mr. Dilip. आप तीनों community में इतना involved हैं, you all are well educated. Some strength is in finance, somebody's strength is in health, somebody's strength is public relationship. All put together, it creates a good leader. You have been campaigning through social media, publicity, publicly you're going and seeing in the community members one-on-one as well. So by now, our Indian leaders, all three of you very, very, very well by heart. And it's very important that our representatives like you three also know each other. So here is my tricky question. One thing that you like and admire about each other as a candidate. Why am I asking this question? Because it's very important that our base, our team is strong. We know each other. We are with each other. We understand each other so that we can serve better. It's a tricky question, but trust me, people wants to know. Janta janna chahti hai. Is there one thing that you like and admire about each other as a candidate? So I'm going to start with you, Rashmi ji.
All right. So in my case, what I'm going to say for both Bob and Dilip, it takes certain amount of effort and courage to run, right? To run for public office is not an easy job. To put yourself out there and raise your hand and say, I want to do this. I want to put myself through this process to be elected. It's not, easy. And so I admire that they both have done that they both have taken the steps and then put themselves through this process. And it is a process, sometimes a grueling one, sometimes not so grueling, and it's enjoyable as well. But it takes effort, time, energy, courage, number of other things to actually put your name out there and then, become someone who's a public figure in some sense and run for office. So I do admire that they're both doing that, right? They took that step in that they are actually running for office.
Very nice, Rashmi ji. Very impressive answer, I must say. But बाप जी, आपसे मेरा सेम सवाल है कि पहले हम दूसरों को जानने से पहले हम खुद को जान लें. तो आपका क्या होगा, that one thing that you admire and like about your fellow candidates?
अच्छा, मैं एक तो पहली बात, हम तीनों चले, अगर if three of us make it, अब देखो कितना खुशहाली है. I'll make sure that businesses come to this place, it is safe, everybody is happy, they want to come here. इनको देखो, दिलीप, he wants to have the town center जहाँ की हमारी revenue बढ़ेगी, tax revenue बढ़ेगी. और रश्मि जी देखो, जो भी आ रहा है उसको waste न करें. अब what better thing combination do you want? Specifically, I believe हमारे शहर में there are 6,000 Indians. उसमें से if you do 50%, 3,000 Indian ladies are there. उसमें से only Rashmi stepped up. Not only does it call for a special person, ऊपर से I always notice that she is extremely clear in her thinking. I think that's a very good, very laudable goal. It's it's so easy to talk about oneself. जब हम दूसरों के बारे में बात करते हैं, तब हमको लगता है यार इनसे हम क्या-क्या नहीं सीख सकते. Coming to Dilip, Dilip used to live about 15 miles from my house. पर हमने कभी इनको देखा नहीं, जाना नहीं, करा है, कुछ हाथ नहीं मिलाया. When he ran for campaign, I met him briefly for about 10-15 minutes. Again, he is so well organized. जब ये आदमी बात करता है या कुछ अपना पेन कागज पर रखता है, is extremely well organized. जब हम ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं, हमारी खुद की गेम बढ़ जाती है. I understand I have some strength, but when I meet people like these, हम समझते हैं कि यार ये ऊपर वाले ने हम पे मुस्कुराया. Thank you.
It's very important to have a good team. It's very important to have someone understand you in the team. So Dilip ji, same question to you. What is that one thing that you like and admire about your fellow candidate?
Thank you, Sweta. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Rashmi, for those kind words. Yes, we are a team, like you said. In a team, we need to understand each other much better. So coming back to Rashmi, it's coming forward to serve the community. Okay, after your transition in the life from the different stages, you are setting a good example for the people in here. Okay, be it the woman or even like going back, so rather than just sitting back and saying that, you know what, rather than complaining, okay, I wish things would have been this way. So you coming forward and putting your name out there and offering, trying to work between the family, work, and the community service. That is something, Rashmi. So I really admire about that. So thank you for coming forward and setting an example for the next generations. So going back to Bob, I worked with him during my campaign in 2019. He comes from the background, serving background back home. Like I said, he was a pilot back home. So that itself is in his blood. And he brings in that lot of energy. Coming back, let's go back and do this one. Let's do this stuff. So, and work, and his background in the healthcare and also working with the children to bring them up. So he has that soft spot for like, okay, you know what? Let's bring everybody together. Let's bring it up to the speed. So rather than just saying that, again, sitting back and complaining or wishing that, okay, somebody else would come back and do it. We came forward. So he's always on the run. Let's get something new. So that energy, if you look at the combination, we bring in different perspectives into the mix. So that helps. So it's like, okay, you help me out. So overall, we can bring in a lot more to the city of Johns Creek between ourselves. So I really appreciate the team and your dedication. And it takes a lot of courage and sacrifice to put your name in the front and say, you know what, I will serve the community. That's a big step. So I really appreciate you for coming forward and doing that.
Exactly, Dilip ji. What goes around comes back around, and हाथ की सारी उंगलियां सेम स्ट्रेंथ की नहीं होती हैं, और सब एक साथ मिट जाए तो जो है वो हमारे आप three musketeers, you're representing us. We can say you have accomplished a lot and you're well qualified, well prepared for this election. And we from Atlanta Dunya team support you whatever way we can to reach you more and more out in public. And thank you so much for using our platform. But before we wrap up this podcast, I'm gonna give you one more chance. If you can say or request our community in one line, one last message in one line, please go ahead. Babji, I'll start with you.
अच्छा, जनता जनार्दन, हमारे से एक विनती है, प्लीज गो आउट एंड वोट. अगर आप वोट नहीं करेंगे तो हमको चांस ही नहीं मिलेगा. हम इसलिए नहीं कह रहे हैं कि चांस के लिए हम आपकी आवाज सुनना चाहते हैं. आप क्या जानना, क्या करना चाहते हैं और हमसे क्या करवाना चाहते हैं, ये हम जानना चाहते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई प्लीज गो आउट एंड वोट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हमारे कौम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हम ऐसे 3 लोग आए हैं तो हमारी कौम के लिए ये गर्वनायक चीज. थैंक यू. प्लीज गो आउट एंड
वेरी
वोट.
नाइस, नाइसली सेड बाबजी. आपने अपना काम कर दिया है. अब कम्युनिटी को शो करना है कि वो आपके साथ हैं और वो कितना खड़े हैं आपके साथ. रश्मि जी, same for you. We are wrapping up this podcast. So give me one line, one more request for the community. What would you like to add?
Yeah, I would just ask everyone to go out and vote. Your vote is your voice, right? And representation matters. And if you want representation from any of us, all of us, you have to go out and vote for us, or just go out and vote in general, because that is, again, your voice matters. So make sure your voice is heard, whichever way you want to make it be heard. Just go out and vote. Very simple and easy process. And early voting makes it much, much easier. It's just going to probably take half hour of your time, and it's not a time-consuming process at all. So if you wait till November 2nd, there is a chance it might take longer, but right now, half hour of your time, and you can make your voice be heard.
So community, you listen our woman. She's a women empowerment example. Come out and vote. If she can, you can as well. Dilip ji, last but not the least, can you please add another request, another line? What would you like to request to our public, to our community, especially Indian community?
Again, I went back to the numbers, Sweta. So usually out of 6,000, 300, 400 people vote. But 2019, there were 1,200 Indians voted. So I would expect that to get to 2,000 at least, because when just my name on the ballot, there were 1,200. So with Rashmi and Bob in there, we should get to 2,000. So your voice should be heard. So go out and vote. That's more important, because you are setting an example to your kids. You're telling them it's a civic duty. Go out and vote. So that's the first and foremost thing. Go out and vote. Then the second part is do your research. You're not just saying go out and vote because we are Indians. You do your research. All of us has the qualifications. Okay, we serve the community even before coming forward. So look at our background. I'm 100% sure you will vote for us. So just take your first step of going out and voting. Imagine you are the example for your kids and the next generation. So, and if there's not enough Indian people turning out to vote, we are not putting our name in the future policy making decisions or the issues. Okay, no one up in the DC would hear our voice if we are not going to be showing our interest in voting in the election. So first and foremost, go out and vote. Second thing, do your research, and I'm sure you will vote for us. Thank you, Sweta.
बहुत अच्छे से कहा आपने दिलीप जी. बहुत जरूरी है कि हम आवाज तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी आवाज शायद उतनी स्ट्रांग और उतनी ऊंची नहीं है, शायद दूर तक नहीं जा रही है, और उसके लिए जरूरी है कि हम वी नीड टू कम आउट एंड वोट. आई एम श्योर आपका रिक्वेस्ट आपकी जनता जनार्दन तक पहुंच गया होगा अब तक, एंड अगर नहीं पहुंचा था तो इस पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू पहुंच जाएगा. एंड आई एम श्योर दे आर स्टैंडिंग विद यू एंड वी आर गोना रोल. आप तीनों 3 musketeers, you are doing your job. हमारी कम्युनिटी को भी एक मौका मिला है, and I'm sure our community will show the strength that we have. Unity के साथ हम आपके साथ खड़े हैं. We are very proud that you are leading us, our community. And as you said, दिलीप जी, बहुत जरूरी है कि next generation को involve करें, और वो हम शुरुआत कर सकते हैं to be a role model. Let's be a role model, go out and vote. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for coming and talking to us, our viewers, and I'm sure they are going to hear you. And we wish you all the best. We are with everybody. We are standing here as one. Thank you so much from the Atlanta Dunya team. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta.
Namaste.
Thank you, Kailash. Thank you, Shweta.